Welcome to Skillverse's digital marketing course, where we'll take you on an exciting journey into the world of digital marketing and help you unlock the power of online success. In this first video, we'll begin by exploring the fundamentals of digital marketing and understanding its importance in today's business landscape.
Digital marketing is the art and science of promoting products or services using digital technologies and channels. It encompasses a wide range of strategies and tactics that allow businesses to connect with their target audience, build brand awareness, and drive measurable results in the digital realm.
Imagine the countless hours we spend scrolling through social media feeds, exploring captivating content, and connecting with friends and family. It's a world where information, entertainment, and opportunities are just a tap away.
From social media platforms to search engines, email marketing to content creation, digital marketing offers unparalleled opportunities to engage with your audience. It has revolutionized the way businesses communicate, advertise, and sell their products or services.
And let's not forget the social aspect of these devices. With just a few swipes and taps, we can instantly share our experiences, thoughts, and creativity with the world. We're part of a global community where boundaries dissolve and connections are made across continents.
One of the key benefits of digital marketing is its ability to precisely target specific demographics. Unlike traditional marketing methods, digital marketing allows you to reach the right people at the right time, increasing the chances of conversions and maximizing your return on investment. Moreover, digital marketing provides businesses with valuable insights and analytics that help them make data-driven decisions. With the ability to measure and analyze campaign performance in real time, you can adjust your strategies on the fly, ensuring that you're getting the most out of your marketing efforts. Additionally, digital marketing offers a level of interactivity and engagement that traditional marketing methods simply can't match. Through social media, businesses can directly communicate and connect with their audience, fostering a sense of community and building brand loyalty.
Whether you're a small startup or a multinational corporation, you can compete on an equal footing in the digital landscape. With the right strategies and tactics, you can capture the attention of your target audience, build brand loyalty, and drive sustainable growth.
Don't miss out on the opportunity to unlock the potential of digital marketing. Hit that subscribe button, and let's dive into the world of digital marketing together.